MTM is a productivity tool that is used during the product design, process development, production, and optimization phases by analyzing, describing, measuring, implementing, and improving manual work activities using the appropriate MTM system. There are MTM systems available for mass production, batch production, or one-of-a-kind product manufacturing environments, as well as for administration and logistics sectors. For existing production, this is how MTM works.
This is Andrea. She's head of a department. In her department, a number of things are going wrong at the moment. Due to unclear, inefficient processes and poor working conditions, the errors and sick notes are simply stacking up. Her employees, Monica and Paul, are also unhappy. Things can't go on like this. So Andrea turns to MTM. Mike, an MTM engineer, is going to help her to structure the work in such a way that the employees remain healthy and efficient. In addition, productivity should be considerably increased, and Mike also supports her with the management of the change process. First, Mike takes a look at the workstations belonging to Monica and Paul in more detail. He asks a lot of questions and also notes down what the two of them say. After all, it is about their workstations and their duties here. Mike works with the software Tycon. This ensures that no information gets lost. In addition, he can also simulate a range of outcomes, and the data are available to view later at any time. The bosses, the head of department, the employees, and the Works Council work in cooperation with Mike as a moderator to develop the improvement measures. The company remains flexible and the successes are measurable. A short while later, Monica and Paul are very happy. In MTM, they have found the ideal partner for comprehensive productivity management. They can identify potential quickly and implement the necessary improvement activities. In addition, they also benefit from ergonomically structured workstations. They do not need to work more quickly, but are still considerably more productive. And there's no mention of back pain anymore. Now they like going to work again. Their head of department, Andrea, is also delighted. The improved working conditions and the optimized processes have a positive effect on the entire department. Errors and sick notes are practically a thing of the past, and productivity has increased enormously. Andrea discovers that other areas of the company, such as management, are also experiencing similar problems. So she suggests to her colleagues in management that they employ MTM there too. In addition, she wants herself and other suitable employees to attend courses and become trained in MTM. This will distribute the knowledge of the methods and the positive experiences quickly throughout the company. Whether it be in product development, production, sales, or the back office, whether it be a question of the ergonomic structuring of workstations or the foresighted planning of processes and resources, right from the beginning, MTM now plays an essential role.
Success can be measured. For more information and contact details, please visit mtmproductivity.com. Thank you.